Germany went through a period of mass hysteria during the war. It's not typical. They didn't live up to their cultural or political attitude. They were just carried away by the masses. The number of Jews were almost always second-class citizens in any case, even among the intellectual, liberal, free-thinking Germans. But I have a very little interaction that I remember. The only interactions that I do remember is conversations of my father with some of these people. My mother was dead by the time I remember these conversations, and basically was the Germans were saying, A, we didn't know, which was a lie. They didn't know. B, we couldn't do anything about it. More or less true. C, the only way to survive is to go along with the line. Again, with a paria discipline. Again, more or less true. So that defense continued. I visited Munich long after the war because my wife's relatives lived there. And I wanted to be taken to Dachau. These are Jews living in Munich. And they were very nice to us, very generous, and took us everywhere. But when I wanted to visit Dachau, they always found a reason why they couldn't accompany me. They couldn't accept that part of the history of the Germany. Eventually, I did it by myself, which involved that my wife couldn't come with me. She had to stay with the children. And on the bus from the Dachau train station, I went from Munich to Dachau by train and by bus to the camp. People immediately recognize you as an American. Whether you're Jew or not, they can't probably tell, or maybe they could. But you recognize as an American, and they know that no American understands any German. So they speak freely among themselves. And the conversations are, how come these guys are coming here now criticizing us so much? We knew nothing about what was happening there. We just complete bullshit. They knew what was happening there.